Vale hanging out with Dr. Jill, our mobile vet, and we are talking about puppy care and something, Bethany, this is something both you and I can relate to very well.
Yeah, we're learning a lot about puppy care, aren't we, Sabrina? And we've got Dr. Jill here with us this morning talking about the importance of preparing your puppy for the best possible life. And Charlie is having a lot of fun exploring Dr. Jill's property out here, where there is the 100-pound desert tortoise hiding behind the tree that Charlie's been exploring with this morning. And then, of course, all the other animals. We've got the potbelly pigs. There's a little baby goat running around somewhere, some ducks. And it's all about giving your puppy new experiences so then as an adult dog, they don't just scare easily.
Right. It's really important to expose your pet to all sorts of situations so that they're secure within themselves. They're not fear-based. There's no fear-based problems later on in life. For example, lunging, biting, turning around unexpected. All these things really play into a good, solid puppy.
Yeah, getting the puppy acquainted to older people, younger people, little kids, people wearing hats, sounds like the vacuum cleaner and the blender, all things that as an adult dog, they could set them off.
Right, even plastic bags. A lot of people notice that their pets are really afraid of the grocery bags, so crumpling them up, playing with them, you know, not letting them have them, but certainly, again, exposing them to all sorts of different things in the environment.
And before you can really get your puppy exposed to other animals, we need to talk about the importance of vaccinations. And for puppies' first few weeks of life, first few months of life, there's a series of vaccinations that really are very key. And you taught me a lot about vaccinations just in bringing Charlie here.
Right. You know, a lot of people are not as cautious about vaccinating. You do need to make sure you know where the vaccines are coming from, how often, check with your veterinarian, make sure that they're a good quality vaccine. State of California, veterinarians have to examine the pet first. So some of these vaccine clinics may not be following that protocol. So if you want a good, solid core vaccination program, start with your veterinarian first at least. Make sure you know what vaccines, how often. I find that a lot of people over-vaccinate their pets. AVMA is now on board with over-vaccination. There's certain core vaccines. Really important to investigate that. That's a huge part of their health issues as well.
And before we run, I want to talk about these little things that we've set up out here because these are simple steps you can take to really ensure quality of life for your pet.
Right. Heartworm medicine and flea medicine. A lot of people don't factor that in as a monthly cost for their pet. Very important to make sure that they have flea control and heartworm control. We do have issues here in Sacramento. Actually, all over the world, heartworms are prevalent now. So you want to make sure these are some great brands here. Some of them come in chewables, topicals. These are all really top quality. Make sure to check with your veterinarian too. Again, maybe not buying them online is such a great idea. The companies don't always back their products when they're purchased online, but they will through a veterinarian.
Dr. Jill, such a wealth of knowledge, and I have to point out that if you're going on vacation, what a great spot to leave your puppy, because Dr. Jill treats these animals like they're in the lap of luxury, having a lot of fun out here. It's like a little puppy resort.
I didn't know Dr. Jill did that. I can leave my puppy with Dr. Jill when I go away?
Yeah, absolutely.
I'm taking note of that.
I'm going to have to get a puppy.
Yeah.
All right, thanks. Thanks very much, ladies. It's 9:45. If you want to schedule an appointment with Dr. Jill, check out her website. It's Dr. Jill with a Y, J-Y-L, drjill.com.
And you can leave your puppy with her, too.
Exactly right. Or call her up. You can find her if you Google, I assure you. But go to fox40.com and search Jill. We'll get you there.
Okay. And now going over to